Saudi Arabia will be launching derivatives trading next month in a bid to attract more domestic and international investors. The kingdom is seeking to enhance the sophistication of its emerging market offering, despite anxiety over slowing growth and slumping oil prices. I spoke exclusively to the Tadawul CEO about the move.
So, of course, the pandemic had an impact globally, and we're part of that, of course. But if we were to look at the Saudi market performance from an index performance as well as from the liquidity, we have noticed in the last 3 to 4 months big appetites or increasing appetite in the Saudi market compared to the region. Liquidities are high, index performance are either stable or growing. And there is another factor for the decision to be made of launching the derivatives market, or the index futures in particular. We have completed in March the last tranche of inclusion of the Saudi market and FTSE. So with that, we have been included fully on the 3 main emerging market indices. And we have seen also strong demand by passive investors who have been a part of the Saudi weights on these indices and who placed investment in the Saudi market to provide them with additional hedging tools and to manage performance, especially on this time of the year, especially with the pandemic. So we believe that this is about appropriate time.
And derivatives products are quite sophisticated for an emerging market. What is your expectation when it comes to investor participation and liquidity within these products? This is clearly an issue that also plagues the region, with other regional indices suffering from a lack of interest and a lack of volumes.
I would agree on these type of products is a little bit complicated for individual investors or retail investors, as we classify them. That's why we made sure that this product is launched alongside with the Saudi clearing house, who will be activated on the same day to clear the derivatives, in a sense to protect all type of investors, in particular retail investors, from getting into a new product that they might not understand very well. We're launching also what we call a trading simulator, which is a real-time virtual simulator for investors with all types to subscribe to and get educated with that. But I would emphasize very much on the applicable rules and procedures that have been announced, as well as the availability of the clearinghouse, which is a very rare setup on emerging market in particular because of the complication of setting up a clearinghouse, which is we are very glad that we are launching our clearinghouse with all required standards by different type of regulators, whether regional or global.